came to show our respect. We will use this opportunity to console all the families, especially the wives and the children. On behalf of the Arise Ghana and all our compatriots and our colleagues, especially His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, we say that he should take his strength from God as our leader and our president. In him we take our strength. We also wish the whole country, entire country, that this should rather bring us together. This should bring us above partisan politics so that we can bond to develop this country. And last but not the least, these our compatriots that we've lost. We lose them when they were working. Why did they travel? They were going to do something that would help to curb the menace of illegal mining. This should be a clarion call so as to be able to bring ourselves together as a country to stop this menace. Once again, our deepest condolences to the entire families of our departed souls. May their souls rest in perfect peace.
This is YFM.